Hello, and welcome to the Total Patent 1 webinar series. This series is intended to give you basic instruction on how to make Total Patent 1 best meet your search needs. Today's webinar topic will cover limiting your search with filters and navigating your results. Total Patent 1 utilizes single-page application. As you run a search, everything will slide in from the right. As you select a document to view, it will also slide in from the right. The boxes dictate what you're looking at full screen. Even when viewing a full screen document, nothing has actually closed. Under the blue line, you'll find your result set, and under the gray line, you'll find your search and text filters. Under the funnel are located your text filters. This includes publication date, authority, IPC and CPC classes, the application and priority year, as well as the assignee and inventors. Let's filter for just US. Under the magnifying glass, you will find your search. This allows you to add in narrowing terms or start your search over again without navigating back to a home screen. Again, the box is dictating what you're looking at full screen. There are two ways to view your result set. The first is list view, which we were looking at right now. This view of your results is fully customizable. You can set your preferences to how many results you see per page, if keyword occurrence is turned on or off, and which columns you see in your results list, as well as how they are ordered. To review setting preferences, please refer to the Login and Preferences video. You can also view your results clipped images as a grid. Click on the grid icon and hover your mouse over how you want your grid to appear. You can pull out a grid of up to 5 by 5 clipped images per page. Less images you put on a page, the more of the document will populate, including full titles and more of the abstract. This is the easiest way to view any design, mechanical, or technology easily identified by image. When viewing a document, there are two ways to navigate. You can scroll through the entire document, or you can use the navigation tools at the top. Hover your mouse over any icon in Total Patent 1, and you will get a pop-up that tells you where that link will take you. At the top of every document, you will see an Ultimate Legal Status banner. If there is an application but no grant, this banner will be orange and say Filed. If there is a grant, it will be green and say Granted. If there has been a failure to pay maintenance fees, it will be gray and say Ceased. All images in Total Patent 1 can be pulled into full screen mode, rotated 90 degrees, and zoomed in on. In the document, you'll also find a family chart. This will include 4 versions of family, starting with the very broad extended and ending the very narrow domestic. This chart can be exported here. Similar Documents is comparing the titles and abstracts of every document in our database. Here you will find the 10 most similar documents regardless of search or authority you selected. The forward and backward sites can be gone through either individually or exported to a work folder. Finally, you'll find ownership and legal status and litigation information at the bottom. If you would like additional help resources, you can click on the I found at the top right side of the Total Patent 1 toolbar. Here you will find the full user manual, data coverage information, and a quick reference guide. Under Contact Customer Support, you will find the customer support number, as well as a link to our resource page.